This is Good Luck Gary with the marvellous Daria, my assistant.
I'm marvellous.
Yep. With a lighter. Be very careful. Heat goes up. Okay, today we're going to do the teabag experiment. Okay, that's keeps playing dead. Right, okay, we're going to have a look at this bit in a minute. First of all, show the people the teabag. No, the actual teabag. There, there's the teabag. Right, so there's a teabag. Right, okay, and you cut it with a pair of scissors across there.
Bleeding.
Yes.
Bleeding right here.
Okay, yeah, right. Cut it just where the staple is. Cut it perpendicular, 90 degrees.
But it's bleeding, see?
Well, yeah. Tea's coming out. I wouldn't call that blood though. Okay. Anyway, you cut it there, stand it upright, and then, without burning yourself, remembering heat rising.
Not like this.
Not like that. That will burn you. That will burn, Bernie. That's the way to do it. Okay, and then careful. The flame goes on to the tea bag, and the heat is being drawn through the tea bag, and convection current, with any luck, makes it go up. The heating up the air. Hot air is lighter than cold air. Gravity makes hot things go up.
It doesn't want to go on the plate.
No, it's a bit difficult, and it's like gossamer. Fantastic. Smile!